So in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to check power statistics. In the beginning, let's go to GARMIN menu and go to My Stats. Enter power, and here you can check beats per minute of the heart, power, weight for kilograms, and lactate threshold heart rate. Also you can check power curve, you can switch auto detect, you can perform FTP test or set FTP. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.